Hello everybody, welcome back to Design Mechanic. Hope all are doing good. Today we are going to make this model by using swept and the shell command in SOLIDWORKS 2016. So let's get into the video. Let us change the units to mmgs. Okay, now choose front plane, sketch, choose circle, keep the center point at origin and specify the radius 18.75. Okay, we will dimension it. It will become 37.5. It's okay. Okay, now let us choose line. Keep the point at the quadrant and draw a line straight vertically. Okay, and again repeat the line, enter. Okay, now keep the point at here and draw a line. Okay, now we will dimension it from this point to this. It's 75. Okay, now from this to the top it's 50. Okay, now let us trim. Okay, exit from the sketch. Now choose swept boss base. We need a circular profile. Okay, now let us give 25. It will take it as dia. Okay, Control 8. Now make the sketch visible. Okay, now sketch on front plane, choose line, draw a line over here. Okay, now dimension it. Total length is 36.25. Okay, and from the top to the line it's 17.5. Okay, it's it. Swept boss base, circular, give it as 20. Okay, now again front plane, sketch, draw another line here. Okay, we will dimension it now. 29.75. Okay, the distance from here to here it's 23.75. Okay, it's it. Swept, circular, 20. Okay, now use shell command and choose the faces for open. Okay, we need all these to be open and give the thickness, give it as 2.5. Okay, click on OK. Now you can see it became hollow. It's fully open. Okay, now let us make the flange over here. Okay, dimension it 50. Okay, Now draw a circle, dimension it 5, from this to this it's 20, from this to this it's 20. Okay, let us draw a center line. Mirror it, this one over the center line. Okay, now enter to repeat these two. Mirror about the horizontal center line. Okay, now exit, extrude boss base and reverse direction 5. Okay, okay, I have forgot to take the hole, so sketch again, make this circle, convert, exit. Now it has become a hole. Okay, now let us choose this face, sketch, circle, keep the point over here, dimension it 57.5. Okay, and make this point and the point over here pierce. Okay, so now you can see it's fully defined. Okay, now let us Control 8 for normal view. Let us draw a central line. Okay, draw another circle over here and dimension it 47.5. Okay, and make this circle construction and draw another circle, dimension it 5. Okay, and make this convert. And now circular sketch pattern, the rotation over here, we'll choose this edge. Okay, okay, now exit from the sketch and extrude boss base, reverse direction 5 mm. Okay, now let us choose this face, sketch this circle to the sketch, convert, and let us draw another circle over here. The diameter is 25. Okay, let us draw another circle vertical to it. And again another circle. Let us dimension it. Dia. Give this as 5 dia. Okay, the distance from this point to this point is 17.5. Okay, now let us draw a line, this to this, and make this line and this circle tangent, and make this line and this circle tangent. Okay, we will make this and this relation vertical. Okay, now it's fully defined. Let us draw a center line. Okay, mirror, choose this line, about this line. Okay, now let us choose mirror entities. Choose the circle, circle, line, line, mirror about the horizontal center axis. Okay, now let us trim. Okay, click on OK, exit from the sketch. Now let us extrude opposite direction 5 mm. Okay, now click on fillet. Give the radius as 5. Okay. Okay, now fillet again. We'll fillet this too. Fillet we will give less value. Let us give 2. Okay. Hide this one. Okay, we have created the part model. Hope all enjoyed and learned something from this video. See you in the next video.